You're going to have this pile tore up, Gus. And I'll sit down right there. Just like a 3-year-old too, destroying the pile of leaves. You know it's in there somewhere though. Right there, get it. You know where it is. Go get it. Okay, we got 2 dogs chilling here. We got a cat across the street underneath the car. If it was warm enough out, I'd bring Zen. That's why I didn't bring him, because it was too cold. There you go. Now you got it. Did you lose it again? Where is it? You're too far, stupid. Oh, there it is. What a crackpot.